Most people might not even know this, but Facebook is out here paying regular everyday people just for posting content. No fancy camera, no large following, nothing. Before you go ahead and skip past this video, listen. If you can post a picture, a text, or a reel, then you have everything you need to monetize on Facebook. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys a screen recording showing you exactly how to post on Facebook step by step so that you can start monetizing. Hey guys, if you're new here, my name is Viva and I've been on social media for over 10 years now. From being a teen mom on public assistance to making thousands of dollars a month just from my phone. And I've also worked with Facebook numerous times as a content creator. So trust me when I say you guys are about to get the inside scoop, the beginner friendly version, that is. This video is going to be made specifically for beginners that might feel like Facebook is confusing. After watching this video, you will know exactly what to do. So before we get started, I simply want to ask that you go ahead and subscribe to this page, not really for me, but more so for you. This page here is to serve as a free resource to help you guys grow your brands online and boost your income. When you are subscribed and you turn on your notification bells, you are less likely to miss any of this free information. Now, let's hop into the screen recording. Okay, so instead of recording my screen, I figured it would be easier if I do it this way. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do each post. So we're going to start off with a text post first. And I'm just going to hit what's on your mind. And we're going to be doing a text post. So here on my Facebook quotes, I have a note where I put all of my quotes. The ones up there are the ones I already posted. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to copy this post and I'm just going to paste it on my Facebook. So as you guys can see, it went white, which I don't really like. I feel like when your text has a background, it grabs more attention. And this is what has been working for me. So I'm going to go ahead and delete some of my text just to get it back on a black screen. I like to use black because I feel like black is pretty universal and everybody will share something that's black, as opposed to if I put something like, let's say red, and less people might share it, like less women might share a red post. Just like if I put something pink, less men might share a pink post. So I just leave it black. They do have different ones that you can try out if you want, but I like to just go with a black. So if I was going to share this text post in a group, then I always share in my pink group, so I use a pink background. But just because I'm posting this on my feed, we're going to go with the black, and I just simply post it like this. I do have stars on this page, so I like to take that off. So I just go in to my monetization and I take off the stars, and then I just go ahead and I make that post. And that's how this post would look on my page. And that's how you make a simple text post. Again, you have to experiment and see which background is going to work for you, whether it's a white background or if it's a different color. So that's how to do a simple text post. So if you're serious about monetizing on Facebook and you want to move a little bit quicker, I've put together an ebook specifically made for you. Inside of this ebook, I'm going to break down the specific niches that make the most money, the exact content format that is going to get you the highest payouts, how often you should be posting, even the times you should be posting. Because let's be real, learning how to post is actually the easy part. So if you want strategies that actually bring in the money, it is proven to bring in the money, then go ahead and grab the ebook. If not, then you can go ahead and continue to try to figure this whole thing out on your own, which will probably take you forever. So now, if I'm going to be doing a photo post, I would just go ahead and go to the photos that I'm going to be posting. For this example, let's just say I'm posting different photos. You can choose whether you want to do one photo or if you want to do 4 photos, 5 photos, however many photos you want to post. You would just go ahead and select those photos. I'm going to do 4 photos and it will look like that, but I don't really like the way that looks. Like I don't like the Jeep as the main image. So I'm going to do this as the main image and see how that looks. Okay, so that looks way better. So I'm going to go ahead and add my caption. When pink is life. Sorry. When pink is life. And then I'm gonna add the same emojis at the bottom. Because I post this in the pink group, I can add the hashtag pinkaholic. If you're using hashtags, try not to use no more than 5 hashtags. But again, hashtags are not needed. So I'm just going to do this as an example. So this is the post. We're going to go to next and monetization. Remember, I like to take my stars off. If you guys have stars, you want to leave it, you can do that. But this is just what works for me. And then I'm going to go ahead and post that. There you guys see the post on my page. Now what I like to do is share this post in my Pinkaholic group. You see this first group here? I like to go ahead and share it in my group. And sharing in the group is how you're going to get even more shares, because once my group members see that I shared a photo, they usually reshare it. And then the post gets a lot of different shares. These are pictures that I got off of Pinterest. This whole page is like pink aesthetic, so I only share pink stuff. Now let's go ahead and do the how we post reels. To post reels, you're just gonna go on your profile and you're gonna hit reel. And again, I'm a content creator. This is what I do full time. So I'm just gonna go to one of my albums where I want to get a video from. It's not this one, but I think I'll do this one. So when you import your video, you go to audio and then you go to controls. And this is how you're going to turn the original volume down, because I had this song on there. So I'm turning that song off because I don't want to get flagged for copyright. And then we're going to go ahead and add music. As you guys can see, all of these songs with the fire marks, they're trending audios. So I'm going to go ahead and choose one of these trending audios. As you guys can see, you do share your revenue with the person who created the song. But if you don't want to share revenue, you can use copyright free. So let's go to copyright. As you guys can see, all of these sounds that say royalty free, these are songs that you can put on your video and not have to split and share your revenue. Normally, I would choose like a regular trending sound from a popular artist. Those type of videos get more traction. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave that on there. If you want to add text, you would click add text. POV, you're a pink girly. So to add a text, you just type out the text. If you want to put a bold print around your text, you just tap this here. You could do a box, or you could just do an outline like that. So then we're going to go ahead and press next. Edit. This is to choose your cover. I want to make sure the cover is a really good cover. For the text in the video, I'm just going to put the same thing. I'm just going to put POV. I'm going to put POV. You love pink. And that's it. I like to put the same. I'm going to take off stars because that's what I like to do. And then we are going to go ahead and post this. If you were scheduling content, which is what I like to do with my text, you would just hit the schedule option, schedule for later, and pick your date and time. And it will post automatically. So this is the video. I'm going to go ahead and post that. So here is the video. I'm going to do the same thing and share this into my group. Post it, and that's exactly how you post a reel. So to post a story is super simple. It's right on your homepage. You just go to create a story, and then you post whatever you're going to post, add some music, and then you just simply share it. The thing about stories is that you want the first story, if you're going to be doing multiple stories, you want the first story to be very eye grabbing. Like how this picture is, it's a bunch of sneakers, bunch of bags. It's more likely for people to click and view it. Now that you know exactly how to start posting on Facebook, before you guys start posting, I want you guys to remember that consistency matters. If you can, I need you guys to be posting daily, even if it's a super simple, easy post. You do not need a viral post every day because Facebook is paying you for your activity. Stop overthinking it, don't compare, and just post. This video has helped you in any way, make sure you comment down beginner so I know that you guys are actually needing more of this Facebook content, so I will continue to pump out these videos. Thanks so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on next week's video. Peace and much love.